Today, I'll show you how to change DNS records on GoDaddy. Start by going to your dashboard and clicking on your profile icon in the upper right corner. Then, select My Products. This will take you to your domain list. Next, find the domain that you want to update and click on Manage next to it. Once you're in the domain settings, you can begin editing your DNS records. To change a record, click the Edit button next to it. In this example, I'll update the value of an A record. After making the change, click Save to apply it. Once you updated the A record, you also need to update the CNAME record. Click Edit again, change the value to match the site that corresponds to the new IP address you entered in your A record, and hit Save. That's it. You've successfully updated your DNS records on GoDaddy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.